Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this really nice 2x3 mat from Olympia. This is an anti-fatiguing mat. Very nice anti-slip design on the back of this. It allows it to stay in place. Nice rib texture on the front of this. And this thing is 5/8 of an inch thick. So this is thick with a nice memory foam core that is in this. And actually this would feel really nice if you're doing like a longer shift. Not only that, but you spill something on it, it is completely waterproof, so if it has to wipe off, and even with a little bit of water on there, I mean, that's not going to go anywhere, which is great. This will resist oil. This would be great in a garage, or in our particular case here, in a kitchen. That way, whenever you're standing on this for an extended period of time, it helps ease some of the joints and everything on that, which is really nice, and it'll bounce back. So it bounces right back, which is great. So I'm liking the fact this has a tapered edge on the edge of this. So if you did have someone that's trying to run something up over the edge, it is tapered down on the edge of there. So that way, if you run like a mop or something over the edge of this thing, it's not having to get caught on that big edge because it tapers down. So this would be a great addition to any kitchen or any shop. It would help take some of the stress out of your day.